Hey everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with another video for the SV650, and today's subject is frame sliders. My buddy Master Blaster got some. He got the shotgun ones, and I wanted to be different, and I didn't want to get the exact same ones he had so that we could not be called exact Twinkies, other than his bike is red and mine is white. So I got a different kind. I went and searching, and I found some on eBay, and here they are. They're not round shotgun ones. They are shaped like bars of soap. That's what I feel like they look like, is bars of soap. It also came with a bar with spacers, metal spacers, which is pretty cool, and then some set screws that it goes in right here. These set screws tie it down. I also had to break out the torque wrench because it says don't do more than 5 foot-pounds of torque. So I got some instructions here, and if you look at the instructions, I'll try to zoom in on it. This is the path that it goes. This replaces a bar somewhere in the middle. The spacers go in on inside of this piece. Actually, yeah, sorry. These have a beveled edge that lodge into this, and then there's a set screw that locks that piece down over here. The only thing that I was upset about with this particular kit is that the one I ordered didn't have this silver piece right here. And it looks like it's an inlay. I don't know if it's an actual metal insert in here, but there is a screw in here that looks like it holds this metal piece in. So I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with it, or I'm gonna have to paint it black or something, who knows. But right now it's okay, I don't really mind. There are other few silver pieces on the bike. So let's go ahead and look where this is supposed to go. So according to the manual or the instructions, this bolt is supposed to come out. This is the bolt end on this side, and on the other side is the nut. So I guess I take this off, pull this through, run the new one through, and then put the spacers in, and then it should go here. So it should be a longer bolt that comes out the sides to put the extra protection on here. So it's pretty easy. Take the bolt out, put the new bolt in, put the other pieces in. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a quick install on this and kind of give it a review of aesthetics, because I can't exactly test functionality because I'm not going to crash my bike on purpose. So here we go. Alright, that wasn't nearly as easy as I thought it would be, for several reasons. Let's go over this really quick. First thing, there is a nut on both sides, okay? So if you thread one down too much, like this, then it will stick out too far and this won't close. Okay, so you have to make sure that both sides have an even amount of overlap right here, okay? Second, when you're tightening down the bar, then you have to make sure that this comes out the way you want it, so the hole on the spacer needs to be in the correct place. And what sucks is when you tighten this side and you get it, the other side moves. So, and then you don't have exposure. It was just hard. I should have left this off the other side to get it adjusted, but then I would have messed up the other side too. So, yeah, so here's what it looks like from the side. I probably could get a little bit more level, but I kind of like it swooping up a little bit with the frame, kind of. I wish that wasn't silver, but yeah. So here's the part that surprised me the most when I got this. I knew frame sliders stuck out, but that's way farther than I thought it was going to be. But at the same time, that's kind of a good idea. I mean, look at it compared to the profile of the radiator and everything else. It's just, it sticks out. And then it's not your normal everyday shotgun one. Now I wish it didn't have the silver piece in the middle, but yeah, cool. Looks good to me. I got this on eBay, and I will put a link in the description below. Okay, so that concludes installing the frame sliders on the bike. I give it like a 7 out of 10. It's a little bit more difficult than it needs to be. So, if you like it, I'll have a link in the description below. So, anyways, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
You want to say nothing? Say, when I say thank you, you say thank you too. Ready? And thank you!